I'm finally done packing everything. Let me give you a quick tour and I'll show you what I did. These are the 3 drawers that are gonna go into this unit over here. I use these little pop-up drawer organizers. I have like socks, underwear, bathing suits, goggles. Her sleep stuff is there with a sleep mask. And then I have some of her electronics that are gonna go like on the table over there. So electronics, like not screen time stuff, but she has like a little battery operated clock. I brought so fairy lights there and a book light in case she needs like a little lamp, and she has a flashlight there as well. We do have a digital camera that I'm sending her with the charger if she's able to, headphones, and our like old school iPod because we're not allowed actual like screen times, but she always falls asleep to her music. So we charge, and we have some Taylor Swift on there. Obviously, another cube here, and this is all of her tops and her bottoms, her sweatshirts. Then kind of miscellaneous stuff here, all of her toiletries, and this little caddy will come out. She can bring that into the shower. I did get her pump soap because she often doesn't like the smell of other soaps there. I did send some baby wipes too, just in case we neglect to shower and she needs to like wipe her feet off. Sunscreen, bug spray. She has a mesh laundry bag. I did send her some S-hooks too in case she wants to hang stuff up. I sent like an extra little pop-up cube like this so she can put like her toothbrush, toothpaste, and hand soap and floss in there, and then bring this little cube into the bathroom so she has a spot for it. Little fan there, a battery backup if she needs to charge her fan or the iPod. Her little toolkit with some treats, some chips over there, and then okay, I tried to convince her she did not need her giant squishmallow, but alas, it is coming because she uses it kind of like a pillow. And then I have her bedding in here too. So there's pillow, comforter, top sheet, bottom sheet, 2 beach towels, 2 bath towels, her tutus, running shoes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna pop these in and we'll be ready to go. Feel free to pause and screenshot if this would be helpful. That was the weekend packing list that was sent by the camp. And in terms of clothes, I didn't send anything over that. In fact, I actually forgot her raincoat. I also forgot to mention the shoes that I sent her, which were a pair of Crocs, which doubled as her shower shoes, and also a pair of running shoes. And of course, labeled everything that left the house. And then this is how it came back at the end of the weekend. Excuse my shaky camera work. I just want to get everything out and into the wash as quickly as possible, so I didn't want to set up the tripod. I think all in all, it could have come back a lot worse. What do you think?